Having trouble with offline maps not working on your iPhone? It's super frustrating when you're counting on navigation, especially in areas with no data connection. The issue might be related to incorrect settings, storage limits, or even region restrictions. No need to worry, we've got you covered. Follow these tried and true steps to get your offline maps back in action. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Verify your region settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, select Language and Region. Ensure the correct region is selected. If it's not accurate, tap it and pick the right one. If your region doesn't support offline maps, try choosing US or UK as an alternative and check if it works. Solution 2. Turn on Background App Refresh for maps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then select Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now scroll through the list of apps and ensure Apple Maps is enabled for Background App Refresh. Solution 3. Free up storage space. Insufficient storage could be blocking your offline maps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General and select iPhone Storage. Review your storage usage and delete apps or files you no longer need. After that, restart your iPhone to refresh the system. Solution 4. Update your iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If a new version is available, tap Download and Install to update your device. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix the offline maps issue and navigate seamlessly without a data connection. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick fixes and handy iPhone tips. See you in the next one.